Okay, so it's Verity from the future here. The video is slightly small. I came down with the worst sinus infection from pretty much day one of Vegas. By the day that you're about to see, I think it's day 6, I felt horrendous. I'm pretty certain I'd slept for like 3 hours. The jet lag had kicked me in the butt from the minute we landed in Vegas anyway. And then this day I woke up and I just wanted to stay in bed all day. We went out for breakfast, I'm pretty certain. And then we had like loads planned. We were going to get tattooed, we were going to do loads. And I went to bed. I left everyone else in my hotel. And I was like, look, I just need a few hours sleep and then I should be absolutely fine. I woke up a few hours later when I found everyone. I think Chris may have came up to wake me up. I can't quite remember. I feel like I was so unwell that it just actually feels like I had a dream that day. I didn't wake up, I just dreamt. Chris came and woke me up. I came back downstairs to everyone pretty much paralytically drunk. The Westgate, their casino girls are fantastic with bringing drinks out. They are extremely strong, which is fine because we're Brits. We know how to drink. Was not quite expecting everyone to be as drunk as they were. Just, they're living their best life. I think maybe that's what I should have done. I should have cured my illness with having a few drinks. But yeah, we can only apologise for how short this video is. Next week, the video is a lot longer. It's the Grand Canyon day, which was just a long day in general for us. But it also meant there was a lot of photos taken, a lot of videos. It was a perfect day. But my plan of why I needed to get over this illness is because my parents have never been to the Grand Canyon. Myself, Harry and Rob have. And I just needed to get this illness out of me. I was like, I've got to get over it. I'd been to CVS and I'd been to Walgreens and I'd got enough medicine that I was like, I just need to kick it in the butt right away. So yeah, we had a bit more of a chilled day on the video you're about to see, which is absolutely fine. Everyone needs a chill in Vegas. And everyone just needed a good drink, I think. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, even if it is this long. But yeah, next week there's a lot longer video coming. See you soon.
Good morning, everyone. So we've just had the all-you-can-eat buffet again. This one was at Excalibur. I think we've got a 2-for-1 offer. So it was basically half price, which was pretty cool. It was delicious. There was a lot of stuff. There was American, Latin, carvery, desserts were unreal. No, they were okay. Key lime pie was okay. And now we're going to go back to the hotel. Verity needs a little nap. She's going to get under the weather. And then the rest of us can go to the outlets. So we'll keep you updated. Cheers.
Hello. We have just got back to the hotel. Verity doesn't feel too well, so we're going to drop her off, let her have a bit of a nap. Keith and Vanessa are down in the casino, having a bit of a gamble. Yeah, it's been a very weird day today. I can't believe it's already like 25 to 2. And yeah, we've not really done much. So I'm sure we'll catch up on what we're doing next, but I think we're going to have like an hour or so back here, and then we're going to head up Fremont Street Way, and we're going to get tattooed hopefully, but we shall see. See you soon. We're in the Westgate Casino. Chris is on his favourite machine, the Wonka one. He's just hit the Oompa Loompa feature. Let's see if he wins anything. For those who don't play slot machines, we basically want the whole screen to be filled with wilds. Like that is quite good, as long as he has matching symbols for those first 2 columns. Let's see how he does. couple of matches there. Oh, and Vanessa's just here as well. So, oh wow. Well done, Chris. So Chris just won 66. So Keith's trying his hand at Wonka.
Compound 20. Sorry, one's $1.20.
Just hit the Oompa Loompa feature again. Not a very good one this time, but hopefully it'll be a nice win. Oh, that's terrible.
Bored of this place now, really. I prefer being at home, Harry.
So if you want to come somewhere and get free drinks, one each tip, and get very drunk, come to Westgate, because I don't think they actually put very much coke in the Jack Daniels. It is pure Jack Daniels with ice.
When the fun stops.
I've just woken up. I feel horrendous, but we're going to the outlet and Fremont Street and then Cheesecake Factory. Yeah.
We are in the Sahara Casino, Las Vegas. Haven't actually been to this casino before, so I'm not too familiar with it. And unfortunately, we're not stopping long. We are literally just heading. We got on the monorail from the Westgate to Sahara, and we are just heading to the Strat to get the downtown loop up to Fremont Street. So we will catch you very soon. I think both Keith and Chris want to go to 7-Eleven to get a double big gulp, which is a drink about the size of your head. So yes, we shall see you soon. We are in Bonanza Gifts, which is at the top of the strip. It is a huge, absolute huge gift shop. We're just trying to find Verity's now a little ornament. But yeah, you name it, you could probably buy it in here. Lot of toot. Keith, give us your view on everything. What do you think of everything?
The problem is, everything's got Vegas on it, and I don't know why.
It's not like we're there, is it?
No.
Just saying,
How much can you put on Vegas?
So it's a lot to it, isn't it?
Yeah. Does Del Boy run this? He must be running this.
Loving the Vegas trip.
You've never seen so much toot in your life until you've come to this place.
So we didn't get on a bus. We ended up we're going to go and get an Uber because we realised that it's Sunday, so the outlet actually closed at 7, so we wanted to be a bit more faster. So we're going to get an Uber now. Go and get some bargains, hopefully. We're in the van shop.
Yeah, we're paying for it.
Buying some vans. Although it was a massive bargain. It's buy one, get one half price. And I think 2 pairs came for like $45. So, bargain.
We are in the Las Vegas North Premium Outlets. We've done one shop already. Verity and Rob bought some Vans, heavily discounted. I think it was about $40 for 2 pairs. It was buy one sale pair and get 50% off the second sale pair, so not too bad. Just heading into the Converse shop now. It's lunch. Rob has already found a Loungefly he wants to buy. It's $80 and he's still looking at more. But yes,
never enough.
But yeah, just in box lunch, having a little look around. Little mosey.
The cheese board in Las Vegas. Sorry, no, not the cheese board, the Cheesecake Factory. I can't smell any cheese.
This is the drinks part.
Food has arrived. There is so much of it. So we just finished the Cheesecake Factory. Go on, give us an honest review, Keith.
Stunning. Recommend it to anyone.
Very nice, yes. Big portions. It was
Damn good.
I'm going to take dessert to bed.
Yum, 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 yum. And you can call me dessert.
So for 6 of us, bear in mind most of us had a couple of different plates. Verity likes sides, so she had asparagus and fries. Rob just had a mixture of sides. I think Vanessa got an extra side. We all got a bit extra. It's only $234, which between 6 is not too bad. Obviously not including tip, so we'll need to add that in.
I'm absolutely devastated. Sorry, but when has... Sorry, I can't get into it. When has Cheesecake Factory cake only been this big? Not gonna lie, I'm probably not even gonna eat it all right now.
It smells fucking amazing.
Oh, I wish I could smell things. Holy mackerel.
You've got a doorstop.
Do you want my cream?
Ooh, baby,
So we're back at the hotel now. We've got a very early start tomorrow. We've got to get up at 4 a.m. to drive to the canyon. So we're... Oh no, I've got chocolate cake all over the bed. So we're home now. We're gonna get into bed. I think we're gonna watch a bit of Bob Ross on the TV. We've just been to Cheesecake Factory though. The food was delish. Yeah, we're gonna go. I'm excited to go to the canyon. We're also gonna go to the Hoover Dam. Where else are we going? Seven Magic Mountains.
Oh,
The ghost town.
And the state lines.
Oh, and the state lines between Nevada and California.
And Arizona.
So yeah, we're going to do all that tomorrow. I'm actually really excited for that. We're going to obviously take loads of pictures and videos and stuff. And then when we come back, I think we're just going to go out for some drinks. And potentially watch Bellagio fountains because Mum and Dad haven't seen those yet at night. So it'd be nice for them to see the Bellagio fountains. I don't know what else we've done. Oh, we also, I don't know, have we done a roundup of what we bought at the outlet? So me and Rob only got some Vans. However, we're going back on Tuesday because Tuesday's payday, and then it means we can spend all the money. So yeah, that's where we're at currently. So good night.